manufacturer.
Who built this ride? Some Fairland?
Super Flume.
It's improved.
I have no clue. I feel like this is
like the one they're building in Iowa.
Is this new or older? I don't know. Is this older or no? Corn in Iowa.
Oh yeah, but no,
No.
There's no camera here. The boat is around here.
My mom says that when the boat's rocking, don't come a knocking.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I thought we went up the big one first.
Oh, no.
Oh, it got a little bit
I
wet.
got what?
Yeah, a little bit wet.
I got what?
Who does that?
That was fun.
But it had like a lot of rolls. I wanted to ride this so bad. I just saw the
This
turn.
is totally a Zamperla. It's so junky.
What is that?
No, that's junky.
I flew all the way to the left.
That's not a long flume, it's a car wreck.
You know what else my mom says? My mom says if the cowboy hat's on the door, don't come knocking.
She's in a soft
Oh, on the left side.
That was cold.
The water is cold.
Yeah, more wet than it looked.
Oh my gosh, should I do vertical? Why? Yeah.
Look at that, it's crazy.
What is that? It's like a, there's like a cult.
Like a woman dressed as a Viking.
Yeah, there's like
Maybe
a cult back
teleport.
there or something. Did you see that? There's just like people dressed up like in the open.
This? Oh, we should go. How many credits here? 6?
I don't know.
7. The other place has 6.
This is one of the most random parks I've like ever been to.
Look,
it's really
the
cool.
boat hits the tree.
Look, yeah, he's
Like
grabs the
yesterday with the
bush.
plane.
Yeah.
I like how we just like went under that house.
Maybe Mr. and Mrs. Power Park.
This looks like Planet Coaster. Like it's like random. Like they just put a link and put the ride. Oh wow, there's anti-rollbacks on both sides. Is this new Zamperla Super Flume? Do you like it or is it weird?
That's great.
These pants are white. When they get wet, you can just see my underwear.
Oh, he's the big one.
Come on, this car has wheels though, look. It has drive tires to turn. It's not gravity. This thing is a mess. I'll turn this gravity, this one's drive.
Oh.
Does the water bounce when you hit the house or no?
Oh, no.
I hope not.
No! Oh! Very wet. Oh! Man.
Nobody was mad.
Oh my gosh.
Why are we the
heavy?
only group that got wet?
weight here. We have too many people.
Tim, are you so... I like that though, that was fun.
I didn't want to.
Now we get on that to dry.
Hello? We're very wet.
Oh my gosh.
Soaked.
I am soaked and drenched.
Woo.
Is this another drop?
Must this be like the one that turned into Atlantis?
Oh, my pants are.
Put your feet up.
Yeah, they have nice little footrests that keep your feet off the ground. That's really good. Good job, Timberland.
I literally this is technical part probably really much.
Yeah, it probably
The water spilled everywhere.
No way. Yeah, I literally thought it was gonna be like turning into a legend.
What?
She's a hairdryer.
Yeah, there's air dry in the room. Oh.
Just take the sound out.
Oh, were you down? No.